Welcome to Spellbinders June 2026 Small Die of the Month Mahalo Sea Turtle. Let's look at the dies included in this kit. These dies create a wavy and bubbly frame. You can also use the insert die alone and die cut it into a panel like so. This can be used to create a shaker card. You can also layer the framed die cut over the panel or place the framed die cut behind the panel and offset it. These dies create a turtle. These dies create a Mahalo banner. Let's assemble the turtle. Die cut the pieces from fern, rainforest, and truffle cardstock. First, assemble the eye piece. You'll need to cut it from white and black cardstock and layer the black eye onto the white circle and pop it in place from the back of the detailed turtle die cut. Adhere the backer piece and add shading with the help of ink blending. Next, adhere the brown pieces like so. And your turtle is ready. Assemble the banner by adhering the sentiment piece onto the solid die cut piece. Now let's make a card. Adhere the white die cut frame from the inside of the panel and offset it slightly. Adhere a piece of acetate from the inside to cover the frame opening. Stamp the sentiment on the front of your panel below the die cut window using the June Clear Stamp of the Month in black ink. Line up the shaker window with foam tape. Make sure there are no gaps in the tape. Add additional foam adhesive squares to the rest of the panel. Add sequins inside the shaker window. Cover the window up with a panel of waterfall cardstock. Add this panel onto an A2 top folding card base. Add foam adhesive to the back of the turtle die cut. Add additional thin foam adhesive squares to lift up the arms. We added black thin foam adhesive squares to make it easier for you to see this on video. Foam mount the turtle onto your card. Foam mount the sentiment banner. Embellish the card with clear drops and enjoy. Thank you for joining Spellbinders Clubs. Have fun creating!